Welcome in today's video. We are going to understand one of the most critical on-page SEO element, the title tag. It is the first thing that users and search engines notice about your page. A well-optimized title tag can boost your rankings and CTR. Let's learn how to do it right. A title tag is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. It appears as the clickable headline in the search engine results and in browser tabs. Though it does not show on the page itself, it plays a key role in SEO. Optimizing your title tags improves visibility in search results, increases organic clicks, and help Google match your page to user queries. A well-written title can be the difference between getting ignored or clicked. Keep your title tag under 60 characters. Google typically displays the first 50 to 60 characters in search results. Anything beyond that may get cut off, especially on mobile devices. Always include your primary keyword near the beginning of the title. This helps search engine understand the topic quickly and shows users that your content is relevant to their query. SEO is not just about algorithms, it's also about people. Use action words, numbers, or emotional triggers to make your title more clickable and engaging. If you are a recognized brand, including your business name at end of your title can build trust and recognition. However, if space is limited, prioritize keywords and clarity. Many people make these title tag mistakes, like duplicate titles across pages, stuffing in too many keywords, or writing vague headlines. Avoid them to keep your SEO clean and effective. You can also preview how your title tag looks in search results using SEO tools like Yoast SEO, Moz Title Preview Tool, or Ahrefs. These tools also suggest improvements based on length and keyword uses. Let's compare a poorly written title with a well-optimized one. Notice how the optimized title include keywords, clarity, and a value proposition. To summarize, title tags are small but mighty. Keep them short, clear, keyword rich, and appealing. They are your first impression in search results. Make them count. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Need help with title tag optimization or full SEO training? Check the link in description below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.